I want you to stop whatever you're doing and think about this for 1 second. What if I told you that you could build a working farm, a real farm that produces eggs every single day and generates consistent monthly income in a space the size of a parking spot? No land, no acreage, no barn, no thousands of dollars in startup costs. 1 square meter, 50 birds, 6 weeks to first egg. That's quail farming. And by the end of this video, you're going to understand exactly why this is one of the most overlooked income opportunities in small-scale farming right now, and precisely how to start it for under $50. If this is the first time you're hearing about quail farming for beginners, hit subscribe right now, because what we cover on this channel is, in theory, it's real setups, real numbers, and real income from real small farms. Let's get into it. Let me give you one number first, just one: 6 weeks. That is how long it takes a Coturnix quail, the most popular breed for quail farming, to go from hatchling to laying eggs. 6 to 8 weeks. Not 6 months like chickens, not 16 weeks like a khaki Campbell duck. 6 weeks. In 6 weeks, you have 50 birds laying eggs. In 2 months, you have a producing quail farm generating daily income. Think about what that means for your operation. You buy 50 Coturnix quail chicks today. The speed of this return is unlike anything else in backyard farming or small farm setups. For someone who wants to start raising quail but doesn't have the capital to wait 6 months for a return, this changes everything. This is why quail farming for beginners is exploding right now. The barrier to entry is almost zero, and the time from investment to income is shorter than any other livestock I know of. But the speed is just the beginning, because the space requirement is what really makes people's jaws drop. And that's where it gets really interesting. Here's the part that stops people in their tracks every single time. Coturnix quail are tiny. A fully grown Coturnix quail weighs around 4 to 5 ounces. That's smaller than most people's hands. And because they're so small, you can raise quail at a density that is completely impossible with any other farm animal. A DIY quail cage measuring roughly 1 meter by 1 meter, about 3 feet by 3 feet, comfortably houses 20 to 25 Coturnix quail. Stack 2 cages vertically, and you've got 50 birds in a single square meter of floor space. 50 birds, 1 square meter, in your garage, in your shed, in a covered corner of your backyard, in a spare room if you really wanted to. And before you ask, no, they don't crow like roosters. Coturnix quail make a soft, pleasant chirping sound that won't bother your neighbors. And with a simple droppings tray underneath the cage, the smell is virtually non-existent. The two biggest objections most urban farmers have, noise and odor, are simply not a factor with quail. That's not something you can say about chickens, ducks, or almost any other backyard poultry. This is what people in the farming world call the micro-farm model, and it's completely legitimate. I've spoken to quail farmers running profitable small farm operations out of spaces most people use for storage. If you've ever thought backyard quail farming or any kind of farm income was impossible because you don't have land, keeping quail in a vertical cage system is your answer. And the cost to build that cage system is something you're going to want to hear about right now. Let's talk real numbers, because I know what you're thinking. All of this sounds great, but what does it actually cost to start? Here's a complete starter quail farming setup for 50 birds. DIY quail cage, wire mesh, basic lumber, simple hardware. If you build it yourself, which is completely doable with zero woodworking experience, your cost is between $20 and $40. I'll say $35 to be safe. 50 Coturnix quail chicks from a hatchery. Coturnix quail chicks run between $1 and $2 each. 50 chicks at $1.50 each. That's $75. Feed. Quail are tiny birds and they eat tiny amounts. A 50-pound bag of game bird starter feed costs around $18 to $22 and will last your 50 birds almost 3 weeks. Monthly feed cost for 50 quail runs about $30 to $40 total. Heat lamp for brooding, $10 to $15. Water and feed dispensers, $10. Total startup cost for a 50-bird quail farming operation, somewhere between $120 and $150. All in. That's it. Now let's talk about what 50 birds actually produces, because this is the part that makes the math genuinely exciting. A healthy Coturnix quail hen lays approximately 1 egg per day. Not every hen lays every single day. A realistic production rate for a well-managed quail farm is around 80 to 85%. 50 hens at 80% production rate, that's 40 eggs per day. 40 quail eggs per day equals 1,200 eggs per month. Now here's where quail eggs are completely different from chicken eggs or duck eggs. Quail eggs are a specialty product. They're sold in packs of 18 or 24 at farmers markets, health food stores, specialty grocers, and directly to restaurants. A pack of 18 quail eggs sells for anywhere between $4 and $8 depending on your market. At a farmer's market in most U.S. cities, $6 per pack of 18 is a very achievable price. 1,200 eggs per month divided by 18 eggs per pack. That's 66 packs per month. At $6 per pack, that's $396 per month in gross revenue from 50 birds in 1 square meter, with $30 to $40 in monthly feed costs. That's a net return of around $350 per month from a startup cost of $150. Your investment pays back in under 3 weeks. Now scale that up. 100 birds doubles every number I just gave you. 200 bird, and you're still talking about a space smaller than most living rooms, and you're looking at over $1,400 a month in gross revenue. But here's the catch, and this is the part most quail farming videos completely skip. And it's the most important thing I'm going to tell you in this entire video. 1,200 quail eggs a month sounds incredible. And it is. But 1,200 quail eggs a month sitting in your refrigerator because you don't know who to sell them to is a disaster. This is where most beginners in quail farming fail. Not the raising, not the feeding, not the cage setup, the marketing. So let me give you your target customer list right now. First, restaurants, specifically farm-to-table restaurants, sushi restaurants, tapas bars, and upscale bistros. These places pay premium prices for quail eggs because they put them on menus as a specialty item. Walk in with a sample pack. Let the chef taste them. This is a repeating weekly order once you land it. Second, gyms and health food communities. Quail eggs are extremely high in protein relative to their size, and the health food market has been growing aggressively around them. Local gyms, CrossFit boxes, nutrition coaches. These are buyers who understand premium food products and will pay for them. Third, farmers markets. A farmer's market stall with quail eggs, properly packaged with a simple label, stands out immediately because almost nobody else is selling them. You're not competing with 10 egg vendors. You're usually the only one. Fourth, people with chicken egg allergies. This is a real and underserved market. Quail eggs have a different protein profile than chicken eggs, and many people who cannot eat chicken eggs tolerate quail eggs perfectly. Health food stores and allergy communities actively seek this product. The buyers exist. Your job before you buy your first quail chick is to identify which of these markets is most accessible to you locally and to have at least one conversation with a potential buyer before your birds start laying. By the time your Coturnix quail hit week 6 and start producing, you want an order waiting. Here's your complete action plan. Everything you need to start a quail farm from scratch. Week 1, build or order your DRUFT quail cage. Wire mesh, simple frame, 2 tiers, $30 to $40 in materials. Week 1, identify your market. Call one restaurant. Visit one farmer's market. Post in one local food group online. Just one first contact. Week 2, Order 50 Coturnix quail chicks. Set up your brooder with a heat lamp, pine shavings, shallow water dish, and game bird starter feed. Weeks 2 through 6, brooding phase. Keep them warm, keep the water clean, keep the feed stocked. That's your entire job for 6 weeks. Week 6 to 8. First eggs start appearing. Package them, deliver your first samples, and make your first sale. Week 8 to 10. Your quail farm is cash flow positive. Your $150 investment has returned to you, and you're building a monthly income from a space smaller than a closet. That's the complete quail farming for beginners roadmap. Simple, low cost, fast return, and genuinely scalable. Quail farming is one of those things that sounds too good to be true until you run the numbers yourself. And then you wonder why nobody told you about it sooner. Small space, low cost, 6 weeks to first egg. Premium market with almost no local competition. If you're serious about building income from a small farm or a backyard operation, quail deserve a serious look. If this video gave you something real to think about, subscribe to Livestock Mastery and hit the bell. We cover every angle of small farm income, backyard poultry, and real numbers from real setups. There's a lot more coming. And before you go, drop a comment and tell me, do you have a space right now where you could set up 50 quail? A garage corner, a shed, a covered patio? Tell me what you're working with. I read every comment, and I might just help you figure out if quail farming is the right move for your situation. See you in the next one.